आए दिन हम न्यूज़ में ये सुनते रहते हैं वोल्केनिक इरप्शन के बारे में. So let's know something about volcanic eruption. So first, volcanoes. Volcanoes is a vent in the earth crust through which heated materials consisting of gases, water, lava and fragments of rocks are ejected from the interior to the surface of the earth. So all the materials inside the earth are ejected, and on the base of periodicity of eruption, volcanoes are of three types: active, dormant and extinct. Active volcanoes can be found in Hawaiian Islands. Dormant volcanoes like Hunga Tonga. So basically dormant volcanoes are those volcanoes which are not extinct and can erupt in future. Extinct volcanoes are those volcanoes which are considered as dead, or there is no chance of eruption in future. Example of extinct volcanoes are Mount Kenya. On the basis of volcanic landforms, that is, major types of volcanoes are cinder cones, composite or stratovolcanoes, shield volcanoes, another is calderas. So cinder cones are explosive in nature. Lava is blown violently into the air and the pieces rain down around the vents. Over the time, this builds a circular or oval shaped cone with a ball shaped crater at the top. Second one is composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes. They are explosive and erupt a cooler and more viscous lava than basalt. Example is Mount Shasta and Mount Shastina. Both are in North America. Third is shield volcano. So shield volcano is it erupts very fluid lavas, right? The shield volcanoes are the largest of all. It is largest of all volcanoes, right? So example of this is Hawaiian volcanoes is the most famous example. And then comes the caldera. Calderas are the most explosive most explosive volcanoes. Best, or we can identify calderas as when it explode. Then after explosion, they tend to collapse on themselves rather than building any tall structure, and that collapse depression are called as calderas. Due to volcanic eruption, landforms are formed. On the basis of two, we can divide into two parts: intrusive landforms and extrusive landforms. So first go with intrusive. Intrusive landforms like batholiths, laccoliths, phaccoliths, lopoliths, silly, and dikes. So batholiths are cooled portion of magma chambers. It is large body of magmatic material that cools in the deeper depth of crust molds in the form of large domes. They appear on the surface only after denudation processes, that is process of weathering and erosion. Then comes the laccoliths. Laccoliths are large dome-shaped intrusive bodies with level base and linked by a pipe-like channel from below. Phaccoliths, it is solid rock. Phaccoliths is a wavy mass-like structure. Intrusive rock So it is like this, found inside the earth. So this part is called anticline and cycline. These wavy materials have a definite outlet to source beneath in the form of magma cavities. Then comes the laccoliths. Laccoliths, it is a solid rock form with a roughly flat top and a shallow convex base. May have a feeder dike or a pipe below. This is like this, like in these types, and it is connected with a pipe structure with magma chamber. Then comes the silly. It is horizontal bodies of the intrusive igneous rocks. And then comes the dikes. So vertical wall-like formations of solid magma. It is very rich in mineral deposits. So sills and dike. Sills are like this inside, and dikes are connected to this like this. Then comes the intrusive landforms. So first one is cones, calderas. Already I discussed caldera there. Craters, you all know that, dome shaped, and lava plains are formed. So this is all about volcanoes, types of volcanoes, and landforms formed by the volcanic eruption. Thank you. Other thing is explosive and non-explosive nature of volcano depends on materials like silica. If there is a high silica, then it is explosive in nature, like stratovolcano. And if there is low silica content in magma, then it is non-explosive in nature. For examples, sealed volcanoes. So magma, one is felsic magma and other is mafic magma. High silica content, low silica. So this is how explosive and non-explosive nature of volcanoes depends on quantity of silica it contains.